How to fix Valorant Black Screen when launching? First step, open Riot client, click Profile Account, click Settings. This page will appear. In this, click Valorant, cooldown, click Repair and start repair. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Next step, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And the next step, right click Riot client, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Right click Valorant, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. After completing, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphic settings, scroll down and search for Valorant, click it. The GPU preference, it should be in high preference, depends on you can set it. And the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If it's not having means you need to add the application, click add desktop app or add Microsoft Store app, click it and go to C drive and add it. Move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down and search for Valorant and Riot client. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive, Riot Games, Valorant, you get the Valorant application. Go to Riot client, you get the Riot client application. Click add in the bottom side and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. The last and final step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having means sometimes the error will occur. Right click, click properties and scan the drive. It entirely scanning your C drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.